Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I am looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Channel Scalper EA by Alexei Moshkin, and this one is priced at $30 right, with a version update listed as 1.2 from February 18, 2022. And I can also see it has 5 activations. Now, from the description, this EA is designed as a channel scalping system, and it trades based on an SMA channel combined with price change rate and volatility conditions. So essentially, it's reacting to how price moves within a structured channel rather than random entries. But before going further, I want to highlight platform compatibility based on the accessible information. If you want to search for the Channel Scalper EA, the expert advisor is available for MT4 and MT5. All right, so you just have to download the version that is for the platform that you are using, whether the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. Okay, now looking deeper into how it operates, one key thing I notice is the trading window restriction. It specifically trades around rollover time, starting 1 hour before and 1 hour after rollover, between 23 o'clock and 1 o'clock. There are also notes about broker time alignment, especially depending on GMT offset, which means timing configuration is an important part of using this EA correctly. Now, another important point is risk structure. Okay, the EA is described as not using dangerous strategies, and all trades are protected with a stop loss, which means every position has a predefined risk limit from the start. Now, moving into settings, I can see a fairly detailed configuration area. There is a news filter option, trading time controls for different days of the week, and even holiday trading controls like Christmas and Thanksgiving filters. So this gives the user a lot of control over when the EA is allowed to operate. There is also flexibility in lot sizing, where the EA allows different approaches like fixed lot, balance-based scaling, and margin usage percentage. So that means users can adjust exposure depending on their risk preference. Now, for trade management, I can see features like take profit modes, hidden take profit options, break even steps, and trailing stop settings. All right. So these are all tools that influence how the EA manages open positions once trades are active, especially during volatile movement inside the channel. There are also spread filters for both market and limit orders, which helps control trading conditions during high spread environments. Now, moving into the backtest section, I am reviewing the historical chart data for Euro USD. That's what we are going to be reviewing. But before then, let's just briefly look at what we have here. Okay, this just shows how the EA looks like, right? The interface. But let's head over to our strategy tester right now. I'm just going to be reviewing the historical chart data for Euro USD. So we are testing Kronos Algo. Sorry about that. We are testing the Channel Scalper EA. We are testing the Channel Scalper EA on GBP USD, I mean, not Euro USD. We are testing the Channel Scalper EA on GBP USD. By the way, I have already run the back test. Okay, the back test has been completed. So we are testing it on GBP USD on the M5 time frame, and we are testing the EA over the past 5 months from the beginning of 2026 till date, as you can see here. And for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server. We are using the every tick modeling. So let's quickly go to the results. And from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was -$7.05. 99 trades we are taking. Short trades we are 55 with a 63.64% win rate. Long trades we are 44 with a 63.64% win rate. And the largest profit was $1.29. Largest loss was $4.01. Average profit was just 48 cents, and the average loss was $1.04. So this tells me two things. One is that the EA seems to be targeting just short-term price movement, and secondly, the risk to reward ratio is bad. And when you put the risk to reward ratio side by side with the win rate is not really excellent. It's just okay, just a little above 60%, right? So it's not really excellent. So when you put that side by side with the risk to reward ratio, it's not surprising to see a negative net profit that was just a little, compared to the size of the initial deposit. So now, we can see that what stands out here is how the EA appears to focus on structured trading sessions rather than constant market activity. You will not see the EA executing trades all the time. You can see why the EA seems to be selective with its trade entries. All right. And that, the fact that it focuses on structured trading sessions and not constant market activity kind of aligns with the defined rollover trading window. And as I go through the historical performance, I'm not looking at individual trades as live actions, right? But instead, I'm focusing on how the system behaved across different market phases, periods of activity, consolidation, and exits. So from a strategy perspective, it's clear that the EA is working within a channel-based volatility framework, reacting to price movement inside a defined range and using timing filters to avoid random market conditions outside its trading window. Now, in terms of results, this is strictly historical backtest performance, so it is important not to treat this as future prediction. Results can vary significantly depending on broker conditions, spread quality, execution speed, and your own risk settings. I would also strongly recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can understand how it behaves across different market cycles rather than relying on a single data set. Overall, this looks like a structured scalping system built around timing, volatility channels, and controlled risk management. But like any EA, real performance will depend heavily on how it is configured and the trading environment it's run in. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.